To set up the sample app of the public transport of Sydney, you first have to log in. Go with the username admin and the password change.me. Then you open the menu on the left, go to Flow Orchestration, and open the only flow which is listed here. It is grayed out because mandatory flow parameters are missing, so we click on Edit and define them in the flow. You can also have a more deeper look into the flow to see how the data is acquired for the tracking of the public transport. But back to the setup. You go to the top and click on Flow Parameters. Here you see two API keys, one from Google Maps and one from Open Data. They are empty at the moment, so you click on them and enter your API key. After you have done this, the Flow Parameter button should be blue. Now we go back to the Flow Orchestrator and the flow is not grayed out anymore. So we can deploy and activate the flow. Now that the flow is activated, we can switch to the dashboard orchestration and select all dashboards and the router and click on Activate. The setup is now finished. You can go to the menu, select routers, your router and Sydney, and then you can see in Sydney Public Transport the buses, metros, ferries and trains and their live location. After the maps are successfully initiated, they are automatically zooming into the location of the buses, metros, ferries and trains. You can also select one item to see how the location will change over the time. In the other dashboards, you can have a deeper look into the different public transport methods, for example the ferries. We can select here the Charlotte and zoom in and see how it changed over the time. The app is now ready to use. Have fun exploring our simple demonstration on how to track with Flow Director. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.